Let's be honest here. It's $1 million. It's more money than these people ever dreamed of.
See, now that pisses me off.
First of all, since the demurrer, we now know there's more than 400 plaintiffs. And let's be honest, we know there's more out there. Yeah, they may not be the most sophisticated people, but they do know how to divide, and $20 million isn't shit when it's split between them. And second of all, these people, they don't dream about being rich. They dream about being able to watch their kids swim in a pool without worrying that they'll get a hysterectomy at age 20, like Rosa Diaz. Or have their spine deteriorate like Stan Bloom, another client of ours. So before you come back with another lame-ass offer, I want you to think real hard about what your spine is worth, Mr. Buddha. Or would you expect someone to pay for your uterus, Miss Sanchez? Then I want you to take out your calculators, multiply that by 100. Anything less than that is a waste of our time.
This meeting is over.
Damn right it is.